considering pa na sa lahat ng mga nakapartner nila, pinakamabangis yung partner mo, sa si Jed, vocally. Okay, and you're able to keep up to it. Lance, dalawa lang ang bagay na. You just have to be, okay, number one, Lance, you are very, very careful sa pagkanta. I think that is quite evident. Napaka-careful mo, okay, sa pagkanta. Pareho kayo dyan ni Lisel, yung gusto ninyong may precision yung pagkanta ninyo. Pero kuminsan anak, dahil sa ganyan mong pagka-precise, kuminsan doon ka dumadaplis. Sayang yung huling leching notang yun. But ayaan mo na, maganda naman yung rest of the performance. Secondly, Lance, dahil sa napaka-precise mo, okay, sometimes yung performance mo is not bukas and giving because nakaganon ka, nakatuto ka dun sa kanta. See? You did that beautifully. Okay? It could stand improvement, but it was good. Okay? But I know you could do it better. Okay? And it could be better pag mas bukas ka. I noticed na kapag ang pinapakanta sa'yo yung mga big songs like Natural Woman or yung And I Am Telling You, okay? Bumubukas ka because the song is naturally bukas. Kailangan ibato mo. Pero with songs like this which are almost parang holy and sacramental in nature, dapat maparamdam mo rin sa audience yun. Kikita mo anak, si Jed pag nagbibigay sa'yo, bukas. Pero ikaw kasi cautious ka, minsan pumapaloob ka. But it was good. Okay, but it could be so much better. Now, when we're all human and there's that final last note, okay, and it just so happens na importante yung last note because that's the last thing you will remember of that song. But otherwise, it was good and I'm glad that you look like that at hindi ka nakapusod. At least maganda ang dating mo at bata ang dating mo rito. Okay? That was very good, Larnie. Okay? Next is?
Van.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Van, panoorin mo maigi ang ginawa mo, ha?
Gwapo ni Sir Juanet.
Tingnan ba? Stick sa akin ba? Energy.
Nagigitara ba si Richie?
Alam mo ba ginawa mo? Ginawa mong backup singer yung ka-duet mo. Ano yung ginawa mo? Diyos ko, wala kang pakialam na meron kang ka-duet.
So, ano na? Sobrang sila. Sobrang ka. Yan na lang. Yung ko dyan.
You know, at this point, Van, gusto kong bumabago sa inuupuan ko, puntahan ka sa entablado at batukan ka. Dahil ang ginagawa mo ay tinatawag na kabastusan.
Ganda ni Richie.
Ganda niya, no? Maganda, no? Lulitawa ka namin.
Tignan mo, nag-duet yun, tinitignan ba? Tinitignan ba mga kapatid? Kami yung mga backup singer ko.
Si Sir.
Nag-rehearse ba kayo ni Kichi?
Opo, pero...
Sa entablado? Okay. alam mo na si Kichi Nadal, ang